Hi, and welcome to this short demo where I'll show how Upriver can help automate DataOps natively on Snowflake. Recently, Databricks announced Genie Zero Ops, an agent that automates data operations end-to-end by detecting, diagnosing, and fixing issues when they arise. This is a great idea, but only works if you're using Databricks. So what I want to show you is the exact same functionality running natively inside Snowflake. Using Upriver, we're going to build the same functionality, all using Snowflake's native primitives. Setting monitors is now as simple as can be. I just ask Upriver to monitor the daily revenue pipeline, alert me if the revenue drifts more than 5% or if the null rate changes, and Upriver is already going to work. It uses the context that is already built from the data, code, and orchestration tools and transforms that straight into Snowflake native objects, data metric functions, alerts, and schedules to run them. Notice that Upriver doesn't just execute against production. It first stages everything for us to review so we can see exactly what it's going to do before doing anything. It also asks us to approve whether we are allowed to write this against the production and how it wants to be notified. Just for simplicity, I'll have it poll against the alert log it's creating. Once I approve it, Upriver starts executing the plan against Snowflake. And just when it finishes, we have all the alerts live, ready to go, everything running inside our Snowflake environment using Snowflake's primitives to monitor data quality. Upriver is also set up scheduled routines to pull the alert log and investigate any open alerts. So it wakes up on its own to handle the alerts, which is exactly what we're going to see now. Jumping into one of these, it goes to work. Right away confirms the symptom. The revenue collapsed to about $13,000 versus the normal 1.2 million and 99% drop, and the pipeline was green the entire time. Now the part on-call engineers dread. What changed and when? Upriver checks the Git branch and finds the change, then uses Snowflake's time travel capabilities to pinpoint the exact onset, walking back through snapshots until it finds the exact broken time. It lands at a 1 hour window that matches the offending commit precisely. And here's the culprit: a one line send to dollar change in a file that divides the revenue by 100. The commit claims the upstream moved to cents, but it didn't. Traces the blast radius, goes through the entire lineage, and even notes which metrics are not affected. Now, the important part: fixing the issue. Upriver suggests a one line change, but anyone who's been in data engineering long enough knows that fixes mean nothing if you can't validate them. So to validate this fix, Upriver spins up a zero copy clone, a full copy of the real production data instantly at no cost using Snowflake, and tests the corrected logic there. No mock data to fabricate, and production is never touched. It reconciles to sense, fixes the formula, and checks exactly to see that it matches the pre-break baselines. After validating the logic, it then drops the clone and heads back that exact one line fix. So there you have it: the detect, diagnose, repair pipeline, fully automated on real data where your data lives inside Snowflake. Give it a try.